Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live so that you guys get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It definitely means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. As usual, my day begins with watching SPY and Triple Q. SPY and Triple Q gapping up, but the trend is not strong. I'm definitely expecting SPY and Triple Q to sell off at market open. If that happens, I'll be bearish on the day. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon, with Tesla being my primary watch. I'll be bullish and will be interested in buying call options if the stocks break the pre-market high and continue higher. And I'll be bearish if the stocks break the pre-market lows and continue lower. That's the plan. We do have around 30 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla and Nvidia. Yep, Tesla bouncing off the pre-market low. I'll wait. I think it should continue lower as markets are falling. I think it may try to test this area 927 and then fail and continue lower. Nvidia also trying for a red to green move. Yep, it's green. Tesla failed around 927 area as I talked about. I think Tesla is following the exact same pattern it followed last Friday. It's trading within the pre-market high and pre-market low range, which means I don't have any setup as of yet. I need Tesla to break out or break down. Only then I'll have a setup. 3 minutes into the market open, no clear direction. But Nvidia heading the way I want. Yep. Watching Nvidia now. Keeping Tesla on watch. Look at this move both on Tesla and Nvidia. This is why I always wait for confirmation. It tested the pre-market low. It didn't break the pre-market low. And now it reversed. No clear direction on where it wants to go. So no trades. Looking at $1,000 strike price. 910 maybe. Looking to get in at 910. Place the order. I got one contract, 3 contract. Then my second ad would be around this area. My third ad would be around this area. Got only 3. I hate when this happens. 3 at 1090. Yep, I'm out. Cancel my existing order for now. I'll keep watching for a second trade. Getting in at 1035. I got in at 1025. I added around here. My next ad would be around 935.33. Yep, it's going. 1085. And now I'll just sell the 3 at 1095. I didn't get it. Yep. Now just holding 2. Maybe I'll sell one more. Selling. Now just holding one contract. I think if it comes below 1075, I'll get out. Freezing. Yep. I'm out. I'll keep watching for a third trade. On the first trade, I got only 3 contracts. Had I got my 10 contracts, this would have been an easy $2,000 day. My second trade, I got in around 1025. Sold at 1103, 1095, 11, and 1098. I think that was a really good trade. Now, I think Tesla may give us a quick scalp. Watching. I look to add around this area 935. I think Tesla is trying to make a new high. Look at how it failed. I hesitated on Tesla. 860 was my planned entry. I did not take it because this candle just got started. $760 I'm placing. Give me an entry. This should be a quick scalp. Selling half at 815. 3 at 820. Now just holding 2 contracts. Perfect. I didn't get it. Out. I think my last trade was perfect. I got in around 760. Then I exited some at 815, 820 and 840. I think now it's showing some weakness. Unless it breaks the current high, I may not be looking to take any trades. So today I took 3 trades and all the trades I just got 1 ad. Unfortunately, on my first trade, I got filled partially. Out of 10 contracts, I got filled only 3 contracts. The strategy remains the same. Watching for pre-market high, pre-market low. Today, Tesla broke the pre-market high with strength, volume, giving me the confirmation that it's going to stay strong, at least for the near short term. And on the pullback, I found support levels wherein I bought calls, and on the rebound, I sold, booking profits. All the 3 trades, same setup, same result, 3 out of 3. On the day, making $1,900 in less than 40 minutes. No reasons to complain. So I think I'll wrap up my trading for today. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $1,900. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.